So just logged in. It's been a while, actually. It's been a while, and now I see it's alpha already. So I wanted to kind of play around a little bit with it, kind of like set up maybe my profile and stuff like that. Like, let me see, because I'm not really familiar with this. Seems like it's changed. So now I've got a. Okay, so I can actually link my GitHub and stuff like that in here. Can I? Can I just, where does this take me? Okay, so I can just do this. Good. So GitHub. GitHub. Can I just, cool. And link these in here. LinkedIn, Twitter. Oh, Twitter. I should definitely link my Twitter. This is, but not home. Like, I think I have to do something like this, right? Yeah. I'm really curious to see how this works. Like, it's been a long time now. I think they've improved a lot of the stuff. It's kind of almost feature. It should be already feature complete, if not live, if you're seeing this video already. Oh, this I can even link a web page. That's cool. So this is my web page, by the way, and I'll just go ahead and link these. Now, I think. I'll just get a new tab and move it away for a second because I want to get. So I thought, let me take a look at my Google Drive, but I thought I changed the logo. Let's get it down. So I need to download it. Just have it open in the secondary screen while this loads. What else do we have here? I think now I have a public profile. Open public profile. So how does this look like? In certain systems. Okay, so it's pretty cool, actually. It's pretty cool. Oh, here you are, the picture. Damn, why is this going so slow? Why is this going so slow? I always complain about download the picture. Yeah, it's being downloaded. And now I'll open show in folder. Okay, cool. So now I can basically update the picture. Can I do these and basically get these and put it here? Okay, cool. Submit. There you go. Can I zoom it out a little bit? I gotta drag and drop it again. Oh yeah, I can do that. Okay, that's great. That's great. That's looking good. That's looking good. That's looking good. Okay, cool. Bio. I think I'll just go to YouTube, to be honest. See if I can. Oh, wait a second. I'll do this and that. I have it open right here. This is my page, by the way. Playing with stuff now. Some of the puzzles here that I'm releasing. Good. What else can I do? So if I go to my channel and I go to about, and I think I just should be able to copy and paste the whole description here. Yeah, roll. Update profile. Okay, sounds good. I think we're good so far. Let me refresh the profile. So it looks like now you can actually so you can have posts, which is really cool. You can basically, yeah. So here are my posts, and I think what I can do with these is I can attach them to projects actually. Yeah. So basically, this is one of the articles that I already had published before in the Quantum Daily about turn the qubits off, and actually I can attach projects to it. It's because this was inspired by the solve the Rubik's sphere. So I can publish it. Okay, cool. I want to publish this, and then okay, so it's gotta be like it's gotta be public. I guess that's the point. Save, and can I just click on it? See what I get. Okay, so here's the project. Here I have it as well, so I can go here and click on the project. Okay, so there's the chasm, test chasm, the project files. Okay, and here I go to the actual post, and I can, if I click on, okay, so I can see the file. That's cool. I have to play with the documentation though. I think that's a really neat way of being able to share some of the work that I'm doing. So I might be using some of those features actually. It should. I think it could be fairly easy to maintain a profile here. You can clone the project. Okay, but it seems that's basically about it. You can. What are the settings of the post? Okay, the slide. Like I can change the slide. I can add a description. Okay, I can delete it. Have a public link and add more projects. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Actually, I can add videos. Can add math. We'll actually do a post in another video. I'm thinking about building a post from scratch in another video and seeing. Oh, you can even shuffle the image header. It's nice art, by the way. Nice art. Save. Posts. And here, oh, that's an empty. Yeah, I think I'm gonna delete these. Should clean up a little bit. Delete it. That's good. And if I refresh, should go to the profile. Should go to the profile dashboard, or this is the profile probably. Yay. Okay, cool. Oh, so those are published projects. I get it. Okay. So I can actually go here and see the project directly. So it's not just the post, but I can go directly to the project. Oh, and I can see the project results. Okay, that's nice. Okay, so I can actually share results. That's pretty cool. Okay, that's great. I can share results of different runs, and so I think that's nice because I can, like, if I wanna build a blog post where I talk about different things, and then I kind of want to show the different runs of the same code, like with some variations. That's doable without the person having to actually go and clone the whole thing, and yeah, that's pretty. Can I share this anyhow? Let me see. Why is my browser so laggy? I'm having so many issues recently. Okay, so I can actually. Oh no, there's the profile stuff. I should move my face away from here. What if I? Oh, that's Trenchworks stuff. Okay, so this is the. And if I click on the post, can I try to see if there's a way I can just I guess I can just share the link, to be honest. Yeah, I guess I could just share the. Yeah, I have to think. How I would organize these, but I'm thinking these can be definitely interesting. Sort of an interesting profile to invest some time in. Cool. Yeah. Stay tuned for more. I'm going to be playing with these a bit more because I've definitely got to refresh a lot of the stuff. But now I see the posts thing is really new, and so it adds a lot of I think it adds this kind of community feeling to it, which I was missing before in the other videos that and the other times that I played with these. I played before extensively with the projects part, which I definitely have to clean up. So yeah, but see you next time when I'll be doing the cleanup. Looking good. This is looking good.